I washed my hair yesterday and I just put a little bit of oil on it and just air dried it, so it's a bit wild and frizzy. But some of them I'm like, oh my gosh, there's such nice curls. I don't know if you can see. You know that, oh, I just can't do this all the time. Just sometimes it comes out nice, sometimes horrible. But I'm gonna fix this. So I just have this beachy wave hair routine for every day. Just gonna show you. I'm like, these are such nice waves. I'm gonna leave some of them, but right. So I'm just taking I'm just taking a little section like this and curl it once, wait a little bit, go under, curl it again, go under and release. You're gonna get this really tight wave, but I'm not gonna touch it. I let it sit and cool off. Just flip it back. Do another section. I'm gonna go inside with this curl, so I just like flip the curling wand upside down and go in. The top is always the frizziest. I never get a good wave on the top of my head. Oh, it's fine. I'm gonna leave this one. I didn't even brush my hair out or anything. I just like the messy wavy look. Let's go on the bottom. Okay, one side done. Let's move on to the bigger section. I don't have a lot of hair, so it's quite a quick routine for me. Oh, this is nice. Oh, look at the S wave. Just gonna do one on the bottom. So for S waves, if it's like this, I just hold it, release, turn, hold underneath, release, just like that. Nice. Gonna leave those. And this is a really frizzy part. Gonna comb it through a bit. Section. This one I really like. Oh, gonna leave it. Just gonna do the front. Do we like it? I like it. Okie dokie, let's see what we have here. So I'm just gonna use this comb to just ever so lightly go through it. Just like so. Just break up those waves. And then use a little bit of texture spray. I'm using the hair by Sam Mcknight. And that's it. There we have it. Messy, beachy, wavy hair. Right. And this is it. I'm ready for the day. And I shall see you next time. Bye bye.